ask, and then we will start the exercises and question answer. I hope you have started exercises and question answers. Means like question answers so he has done, copies with me, and exercises also in the book.
Of which chapter, ma'am?
13. Chapter 13. Not done? Okay. So we'll discuss.
Till 13 only now.
Till 30?
13.
Today is?
No, she said what chapter? About chapter.
Okay. So before starting the exercises, just tell me what is vasoconstriction? Vasoconstriction. Winter. What's this?
The blood vessels contract.
Mechanism to prevent body heat. And Elma, what is vasodilation?
In hot weather, the heat is radiated.
The arteries and arterioles, they are dilated, and as a result more heat released from the body. So now we will start this exercise. Multiple choice question. Yes, choose the most appropriate answer. Yeah, the topmost layer of the skin is called? Yes? No. Epidermis. Corium is dermis. Another name of dermis. So the upper. Okay. It's corium. Corium is the dermis. Now another is the blood vessels that supply the skin are located in?
Stratum corneum. Stratum corneum.
Dermis. We know that epidermis, the blood vessels are not there. Only the supply through the capillaries which are there, the arteries and arterioles, they are present in the dermis. The fine capillaries provide some of the nutrient to the epidermis. Dermis. Epidermis is tough due to the presence of keratin. Which of the following gland most actively help in regulating body temperature? Skin. If for some reason the sweat gland fail to function, then yes, the skin will become yes, the body will not be able to regulate body temperature. Then another section, very short answer type. Match the terms given in column A with their description column B. So here papillary layer, there is one correction in this. D option is there, thin superfluid, it's superficial. So papillary layer, thin superficial layer made up of connective tissue. Another is dermal papillae. Yes, tell me. Dermal papillae? Yes, now winding sensitive to touch and pain. Then fibroblast.
Option E.
Yes, production of collagen and elastin fibers. Then corium. Another name of corium? Dermis. So, dermis is outer layer or inner layer? Inner layer, you can say. Inner thick layer of connective tissue made up of elastic layer. Then germinative layer.
Option C.
Yes, innermost layer of epidermis which divide to produce new cells. Then granular layer.
Layer consisting of 3 5
3 to 5 flattened cell layers. Then conified layer, outermost layer of epidermis. What is the process occur in the outermost layer of the epidermis? Means like in epidermis what the process occur? Something going regularly, exfoliation, removal of older cell or the dead. It's older cell. Dead cell means the one which are coming on the list that is also dead only. Means the cells which are there on the epidermis, they are the dead. Now answer these questions. Name the 3 sublayer of epidermis.
Stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, and
Germinative. 3 are given in the book, but 5 I told. Which 5 are?
Stratum, stratum.
Okay.
Corneum, lucidium, granulosum, spinosa.
Okay, fine. Good, very good. Human skin contains some gland. Name any 2 glands in skin state. Okay, so, and their function? Function also there. One at a time, yes.
Sebaceous gland secretes sebum or oil, and it helps in lubricating or smoothing the skin. And sweat glands help in regulating the body while excreting sweat.
It regulates body temperature, and of course it excretes out waste substances also. State the composition of sweat.
It contains 99% of water.
0.2
to 0.5%.
0.02 to 0.05.
Percent of salt and some urea, vitamin C, and amino acid,
Lactic acid.
No, not amino acid.
Ammonia. Name the skin gland responsible for acne. Blackheads and acne, they are, yes, because of sebaceous gland. Why the acne are there? Because of sometimes the bacterial infection occur in the sebaceous glands and inflammation occur, and that causes acne and pimples. And blackhead, some difference between the acne and blackhead?
The blackheads are when the sebaceous glands are blocked.
Blocked, and that sebum is oxidized, and oxidized sebum is black in color. That's why blackheads appear on the skin. Now name the principal heat regulating center in our brain. Yes. Quickly. Are you writing? Hypothalamus. Yes. Hypothalamus is heat regulating center in our brain. Means it detects the temperature. Now answer these questions. Mention any 3 functions of the mammalian skin. 3 mammalian skin in the mammals. More than 3. Means more than 3 you can tell, but basically the major or the means you can say the most important. Protection, regulation. Other than we know many more, like storage. It acts as a storage organ. It acts as a synthesizing organ. It acts as a excreting organ, and it help in graping, as well as it help in sensing the things. What is goose flesh and how does it occur? Yes, what is goose flesh?
When our body comes in cold temperature or fear or some sudden feelings, then
It's all because of erector muscles. When a person feels very cold or in a state of fear, erector muscles, they contract at one end and they relax on the skin side, and then pimple sort of thing is formed on the skin, and that dimple or that That what you can say, that causes erection in hair, because this actually what contract the skin towards the hair, so it erect the hair, and as a result goose flashes form. Now what are erector pili muscles?
Erector pili muscles are attached to hair follicle, and
one end is to the hair follicle, another to the epidermis.
And its function is to keep the hair upright.
To make it upright, you can say, or not, means like when the hair is not erected, means on the normal condition, then also means it relax, so that it make it the banding condition or the flexible extending erecting condition, both is because of this. Differentiate between leukoderma and albinism. Yes. Leukoderma and albinism. What are these terms? Do you know about something? This is, I will give you a clue. It's related to the skin color.
Yes. Ma'am, in albinism, there is complete loss of the pigment throughout the body.
Yes, in albinism, complete loss of the melanin occur. Means even the
Some people have vibrant patches.
leukoderma. In leukoderma, some of the portions are lost melanin, and as a result, the patches are formed.
Yes.
But in albinism, body lost melanin from all of the body, even the hair and eyebrows and legs, all are white because of this albinism. May Allah save us from all these things. What are sebaceous glands? State their function.
Sebaceous glands are the oil glands, and their function is to secrete
Sebum. What is sebum? Sebum is waxy, oily substance, and its function is to lubricate the skin, to keep the skin soft. Okay. Now, in intensely cold climate, our hair get erect and we start shivering. Why? Give reason. Name the process that bring about such responses. Why our body is shivering?
Because due to so much of cold and rapid contraction is there in our muscles.
Before that, first we know that how our body gets heat. Most heat our body gets from the liver because glucose is there, and metabolism of glucose provide us heat, as well as this muscles movement or muscle activity also provide us heat. So means here what is that? So at the time when the person feel really very cold, so the muscles started shivering. That actually increase the contraction and relaxation of the muscles. That means that increase the muscle activity, and as a result, the heat production is occur in the body. Means that shivering is actually the muscle movement, and that generate heat in the body. That's why when somebody is doing work even in winter, feeling less cold in comparatively the one who is sitting all the time, because the more muscular movement would be there, more heat generate. What are apocrine sweat glands and where are they located? What are their function?
They are tiny sweat glands, and they are located in genital areas.
Axilla means like under armpit and all, and in genital region. And what is the speciality, means what is the difference between acrine and the apocrine? I told you that day.
In apocrine gland, they are like
They open in hair follicle. Apocrine, sweat gland, they open in hair follicle, as sebaceous gland are also open in hair follicle. And acrine, they are directly open on the epidermis. Now, what is the function of sweat? How does sweating occur? How is it regulated? Yes.
the function of sweat is to regulate